So here in the Mission District of San Francisco, we have the Garfield Square and Pool, which is a public park. And we've got this wall of art that's related to the water. As we look, some underground, maybe a submarine, seashells, other sea life, maybe Neptune, Calypso helicopter above it, a ship, more fish, scuba diving, seagulls on the cliffs, mermaids, waves, surfing, and again, it's the primal sea. And let's see, the Presita Ayes muralists, Susan Cervantes, Daniai Meehan, Peki Anawai, Caroli Smith, Tony Perenelli, Nina Elspeth, and then a whole bunch of others who helped paint it. So if you can find this wall art, which you should be able to, and hopefully it will be unblemished for you, then you can come check it out. Oh, no way. Is this 1980? This is done in 1980. If this is really done in 1980, then it's lasted a long time, and it looks really nice for being as old as it is. Yeah. All right, cool. Oh, no, restoration. Okay, here we go. So 1980 originally, and then the Primal Sea restoration was 2020. So Presita Ayes Muralists, 1980, Primal Sea 2020. Here we go, good. All right, well, nice. That means they cared enough about this wall to preserve it, to restore it, and let you know that it's here. And hopefully when you come and visit the Mission District of San Francisco, you'll come and check this piece out. Enjoy.